Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Danielle, and today is going to be week 10 weigh-in on the Weight Watchers Freestyle program. Welcome back. As you can tell this week, I am in way better spirits. So last week, I just want to stop and thank you guys for being my backbone, for being motivation, for being my friends when I needed somebody to tell me, Danielle, you got this. Stop being a crybaby. You got this, girl. And you guys were 100% there for me and 200% right. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you all for just giving me my motivation back. And I appreciate it and I love you guys for it. So let's get into this week's weigh-in. Sorry for like the rushed late video, guys, but I actually had to work this morning, so I'm not even getting to record this video. It's almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Very sorry about that. So this week I did lose. I lost 0.6. It's not the 2.5 that I gained last week, but I went ahead and I talked to some dietitians and nutrition experts at work. I do work in a hospital, so I mean, they do know what they're talking about. And I went ahead and I talked to a general practitioner and kind of was talking to them about what's going on. And I have a really better understanding of this whole situation. So to start off, guys, I 100% believe in Weight Watchers and their programs. I believe when you have a lot more weight to lose, you will lose it faster. That's just science. I am a very hard weight loser. Weight likes to stick to me, especially in this weight zone. My body's very comfortable in this area. I don't know why, it just is. So I went ahead and I talked to some of the nutritionists at work and the dietitians, and I basically told them what's going on. I said, look, you know, I was on keto for a year. I was very, very, very low carb, and I went ahead and went off, and I've been now for 10 weeks on Weight Watchers, and I'm losing, but I'm not losing that much. I'm kind of going in between these 10 pounds, like I just can't shake it. So this is what they told me, and it really made sense. They said, Danielle, your body was absent from carbs for so long. You know, it takes you really a full, almost 3 months to get your body in ketosis, which mine was in for a year. Full-blown ketosis because I measured it. And, you know, I'm eating carbs again, and my body loves them. They miss them. So they are holding on to them. And not only that, I am on some medication, and that medication slows down your metabolism a little bit. And my doctor was like, you know, Danielle, sometimes these people who are on these meds that you're on notice that after being on them for, you know, 6 months, they have this 10-pound weight gain. It slows down the metabolism a little bit, but it's nothing that I can't fix. So between the nutritionist or the dietitian at work and my doctor, I'm like, okay, so this is what they told me, and this is what I'm going to do. This is my new plan of attack. So they were kind of like, Danielle, are you still, you know, doing MyFitnessPal? What are your grams of carbs? What are your grams of protein? Guys, my grams of carbs are about over 100 grams of carbs each day. I know we're not supposed to watch those, but I do know that my body likes carbs and it holds on it. So, and I do know that I need to watch my macros. I know this, I've done this for a long time. So they're like, maybe cut down on the carbs, increase your protein, and go from there. I know the basis, I'm watching my macros, my carbs and my protein are almost identical. Sometimes I have more carbs than even protein, but my fat is super, super low. So what I'm planning on doing this week is I'm going to watch my carb intake. I need to bring it down. I need to watch the fruit. I need to watch the tortilla rolls and all that stuff. I really don't eat too many of those though. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be mindful of that. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start watching. I am going to aim to stay around 150, 160 grams of protein, maybe 50 to 80 grams of carbs. I need to really watch it, and I'm going to see if that makes a difference in the scale. My fitness has been on point. I feel so great. I told you guys that unfortunately my treadmill has went ahead and died. So rest in peace, treadmill. But I have started doing spinning again, and I love it. I just feel so great. I'm back doing a lot of resistance training, and I started doing weight loss yoga videos, and I love it. I never thought you could actually sweat doing yoga because I thought it was just like meditation. And then I started doing it and I was like, this isn't easy. I'm sweating. Why am I sweating? I thought this was supposed to be relaxing, but I love it. So I feel really good. I feel really great. My GI issues have been really great this week. I have not had any yogurt. I have given up Halo Top. It's good, but it ain't that good to cause all those GI issues. You ain't get me again. I think to eat that Greek yogurt like a dessert is no good for me. Cooking with it, I've been fine. But when I have to eat it like that, I think it's just too much and too heavy on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and never do that again. I messed up on the fruit this week. Grapes have been on sale here. I don't know why. And I love grapes because they're they're like chips. You can just keep eating them. And I eat a lot of them. So yeah, my bad. And carrot oranges, tons of sugar. So I probably could have lost a lot more. Another thing too is I think I could have been lower, but I had to get up so early this morning and I didn't even use the bathroom. Let's put that out there. And you know, I like to weigh myself after a good 12 hours of not eating, and that wasn't the case. So I don't know, you know, maybe it could have been different. I don't know, but you know, it is what it is, and I'll take a 0.6 because a loss is a loss. So I'm not going to be as hard on myself because after finding out that this medication that I'm on does cause this little bit of weight gain, and I mean, it's something I can totally do. I'm getting older. It's going to take me a little bit longer to lose weight, but my medication really helps me, so I need to be on that, and that's the more important thing. And it totally makes sense that I kind of threw my body through a loop with being on keto. Not saying that keto is not a great way of eating. If that works for you, 100%, you do you, boo-boo. But coming off of it, my body is in a whirlwind right now, and I thought it would be better by now, but they're like, it took you a year to get to where you were. It's probably gonna take me a few months to reset it. So I guess. So like I said, this week I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna watch them macros, I'm gonna watch them carbs, and I'm gonna see if that makes a difference. Because as women, we are very, very carb sensitive. So I need to do that. Working out, I am gonna continue to spin, baby, spin, because I feel like my legs is getting so tight, and I love it. I love my time. I love just doing it. I love it. It gives me such pleasure. I don't know, it's weird. As far as my eating, I gotta stay away from them grapes and, you know, the fruit. The fruit is the devil in me. I swear, I love it so much. It's just such an evil little necessity. And everything else I've been really, really good on. I'm really happy. This week I totally eaten all my points. But I did overdo it on the carbs, and I think that's where my issues are coming from. My bloating and everything, I'm still doing my TEAMI tea. I love it. I mean, I can't support it enough. I actually just ordered a new one, the Pro Fit, and that's supposed to help with build up your immunity as well. And working in a hospital, you know I need it because I ain't trying to get sick, my friends. No, I'm not. But yeah. I just want to thank you guys for being so awesome and just supporting me and being my friends. And I love you guys for it. Before I go, I do want to kind of throw out there, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I'm going to leave it right here so you guys can. I went ahead this week and I launched a shirt campaign. I can't believe it. I'm kind of like really nervous about it because I'm like, well, I hope somebody buys my shirts because I'm kind of feeling like a dummy right now. But if you guys know, I am a little bit of a oddity in the lifestyle world on YouTube. Lifestyle is consistent of a lot of Southern women. It's very big down south. So I'm definitely not a Southern girl. And you know, but I've been embraced by so many Southern girls, and I just love you guys for it. And I just love the fact that you guys let me be me in, you know, your world. So I went ahead and I created a shirt, and on this shirt it says, just a city girl living in a farmhouse world. Meaning I'm still just Danielle, I'm still this girl from the south side of Chicago, but I am living in the Southern Belle world, and I cannot love you ladies enough. So thank you for just embracing me, and I hope you guys love the shirts. It is going to be a campaign through March 23rd. If you guys want to buy one, I would love if you did so. On the back of the shirt, it is my Chi-Town flag, and it does have our skyline in it, so you guys can represent the good old city of Chicago. And yeah, so if you guys are interested, I will link everything below, and I love you guys. So how did you guys do this week? Even if you did gain like I did last week, or it was only a smidgen of a loss, you guys still killed it. Because you guys have a great frame of mind, you guys are positive thinkers, you guys know that each day it just gets better. Even if you ate like crap this whole week and you're like, oh, what the hell, you know, Danielle, I just been doing real crappy, I can't find the motivation to get back on. Tomorrow you are going to get back on. If you did crap all week and you ate nothing but garbage, tomorrow you're going to get back on. And you're going to do awesome. And I got your back because you guys had mine when I needed you. So if you guys need anything, you can email me. My email's on here. Message me on Facebook or Instagram. Whatever the case may be, I got your back. I will help you. I will motivate you just like you guys gave me this pep back in my step. And I love you so much for it. So 2 more weeks, and I think I'm going to go ahead and make the change over to meetings. And I'll let you guys know more about that next week. But all right, guys, I love you, and I know you guys are going to kill it. Let me know what your new goals are, and I will see you next week, and we'll see how this week's experiment goes. Bye, guys. I'll see you next weekend.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel.